Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig transformation and hold up. Okay, so this is the wig we are going to be transforming. Let me wait. It's giving natural, but it's also very matted and very chaotic. So today I'm going to try and transform it into like those nice soft butterfly locks that I see all around. So this is the wig, like look at it now. Then I'm going to come back and show you how we can get the process started. Also, if you're a new person, thank you for clicking on my video. Welcome, please subscribe, please share with your friends, like leave a comment as well. I like to get to know everybody that subscribes to my channel. And that's basically it. So let's go to the video so that I can show you guys the process. That's actually what you came here for. So bye. Okay, so this is the culprit. This is what the wig is looking like. I don't even know like how did we get to this stage, but I've basically had this wig for more than a year, just sitting down wondering what I was going to do with it. So finally today is the day. Today is the D-Day, and I'm going to trash this wig, and I hope that it better comes out like what I want it to come out. So yeah, here I am just pinning the hair down and trying to separate it, like separate its layers, because this wig is tangled and you cannot even brush it. That's the annoying part. That's why I couldn't even use the wig, because you cannot brush it, you cannot do anything. It was just tangled and it was just stiff. I even tried to curl it, but that was like a disaster because it wasn't even giving what it was supposed to give. Anyways, I pinned it down, and now I'm just trying to like section it out and just like try to figure stuff out. Again, I'm just going to go in straight into the video. I'm going to start braiding the hair. Like I'm going to do the 3-strand plait, and for us Africans it's rasta, but for the rest of the world it's a 3-strand plait. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to do it. It's actually very quite simple. A lot of people do it, and this is what the hair looks like at the end of the day. I also have the same wig in my like day in a life of a content creator video, which I uploaded last week. So yes, you could see like the behind the scenes of how I made this video and everything. If you like videos like that, you can go ahead and watch it. But yes, so for the front part I added a little bit of hair so that it should give the plait volume, because it was really skinny. That part that had like the mini frontal, the hair that was really skinny, and this is what we have at the end of the day. It's quite scanty at the back, but I'm trusting the process that if I start doing the locks is going to be thicker. And as you can see, I was practicing to figure out how I wanted to do it, because this is the first time that I've done it. I've never done anything like this, so kudos to all the YouTube like tutorials that I watched before this. I really cannot remember the names at the top of my head, but I'm going to link them in the description box. So to start the twist, you're going to just take the hair and you're going to start winding it around the plait that you just did before, and then to make the hair look distressed, you're going to wrap it over your finger and then slowly release your finger as you're progressing down. I hope that this video that you're looking at the screen right now is actually very quite self-explanatory, and you can get the hang of it, because like you're just wrapping it around and then you use your finger now to like make sure that it's not smooth or it's not tight, it's very loose. And then depending on how you like it, you can leave some curls hanging, or maybe not if that's not your vibe. Once you finish everything, you're going to tie it at the end. I did a double knot tie so that I wanted it to be very secure. And once you tie it like at the end with the remainder of the braids, you can cut it off, and voila, we have a winner. That is the first one. I really did not like the size of this one, so I kind of changed the sizes as I went. But as you can see, this is the hair, and this is basically how we've come on. And then while I was doing the rest of the hair, I realized that the more messy your hair is, like the more messy the curly hair is, the way better your hair is going to look. So as you can see in this video, I was really going for it. Like I was messing up that curly hair like it was nobody's business. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So I came back and I started from the beginning by wrapping the hair around and twining it, and then using my finger to still give like that boost so that it's going to be super distressed, and it's going to have like that butterfly wiggly effect that I was really trying to go for. And again, I cannot stress this enough. Thank God for the hair YouTubers that actually come and give these tutorials, because the whole time I was just like, how will I even do this thing? How will I do it? Is it going to make sense when I do it? And after I watched those videos and I was like, you know what, I think I'm ready to practice on hair and everything. So yes, shout out to the YouTubers. And again, as you can see, it's the same process that I've been explaining. You're just going to be wrapping the hair using your thumb up and down, and then you're going to tie it depending on how secure you want it. I always do like a double strand or even a triple strand to tie it, and then I go ahead and I cut off the excess right there, and we move like we have a lock, we have progress. I'm just going to go ahead and do this last one. And the hair I used in this video was actually braiding hair, like rasta mesh, and I curled it. Hey guys, so this is what the wig ended up looking like okay, I'm not really feeling this makeup. I feel like it has really aged me, so I'm going to go and then I'm going to come back. Okay, this is more of my face. So hi guys, this is what the wig ended up looking like. I cannot even breathe. I'm so excited. Anyways, while I was filming this video, I just realized that I hit 4K subscribers. So thank you 4,000 of you very much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I cannot even like wrap my head around that 4,000 people watched my channel and decided to be like, okay, let's stay together, let's stay with this girl and all that kind of thing. So thank you people very much. I love you people from the bottom of my heart. Thank you people. Anyways, this is the look. I don't want to waste you guys time or anything, so I'm going to go ahead now and like film Insta videos and TikTok videos. But again, this is the look. I hope that you guys learned something from this video. I hope that it's going to inspire you to like transform your wigs and everything. With that said, thank you guys very much for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends. Please leave a comment down below. Say hi, don't be shy. As always, I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.